Okay, let us suppose I have to create a such type of a program which will subtract the two numbers, which will subtract the two numbers.
Two.
So what I have to do is I have to take A as an input.
Yes.
Let me write down here. A as an input. Okay. B as again input. Let me print out a message here that hey, please enter the first number. Please enter the first number. Please enter the second number. Okay. So subtraction
Mm.
between A minus B. That is fine.
Yes.
Okay. So here, if I'm executing here, the message whatever I have written inside the input that is also printed here. Okay. So my first number is let's suppose 50. Second number is 40. The subtraction between these two will be 10.
Mm, it's not visible. What means it's last
If I
you
subtract,
entered. No subtraction is not visible. Last visible is A is equal to AB. Now it's visible. A minus B. Yes. All right.
50
Please
minus 40,
enter
that
the
will be 10.
first number. You took A is equal to 50 and B is equal to. The
40.
values are not visible. 40. The result will be 10.
That will be 10. That is fine. Okay.
Yes.
Again, I am executing the code. Now I am giving the first number is 50, second number is 60. The output will be
In minus.
minus 10.
Yes.
Now, my requirement is that if I am giving the condition to my system that hey, if your first number is greater than second number, okay, if your first
Okay.
number, if your A is greater than B, then what you have to do is you have to minus, you have to perform A minus B. Okay, if
Okay.
your B is greater than A, then what you have to perform that is B minus A.
Okay.
Okay, at
To
here,
get a positive value.
okay, to get out a positive number. So what I have to give is that our system is going to take out the conditions. Our system have to deal with the conditions. Okay,
Okay.
that our system is going to make some decision that what the system had to do.
Okay.
Okay, so here I am saying I am using if here if A is greater than B. Okay, after this I am using colon, and after C I am pressing, let us suppose this one C. So there will be difference of a tab. There is a difference of a tab
Why?
because we have to tell our system that if this condition is true, then C is equal to A minus B, with that will be occur. Okay, if it is in the same line, okay, what you have to do, there is not some of the how our system is going to check out that this is a part, if this condition is true, then what we have to do. So we have to tell after spaces that this is a inside our if block. In the same way, if I'm saying that hey, if
Okay. Okay.
if my name is Aman, okay, if my name is Aman,
Yes.
okay, then you have to perform something. So how our system is going to tell that we have to make some of the spaces that this after if Aman, then you have to perform this. Okay, otherwise this will be there. So this represent that this is a block of if. This
Okay.
represent this is a block of if. Okay. So whenever you are using for loop or whatever it will be, so you have to write something like a colon, and whenever you are using colon, after colon you have to give out the uh, tab. Okay, you have to give
Okay.
out a tab. Now, if A is greater than B, then what you have to do is that C is equal to A minus B. Okay.
Please wait. Video slower. If video and audio is not together, then it's little confusing. Yeah. C is
I
equal
hope
to
you go
minus B. Yeah. Now
A
it's
minus
fine.
B.
Yes.
Okay. Otherwise, otherwise, what you have to do is else again C is equal to C B
C is
minus A.
equal B minus A.
Okay.
In the
This is
same
how that
line,
we
next line.
no in the next line.
In the next line.
But the integration will be again there.
Okay.
Here you can see out. Let me explain the code once again. I am saying that
Yes.
here A is my first number, B is my second number.
Second number.
I, I am giving the condition that hey, if A is greater than B, okay, if A is greater than B, what you have to do is C is equal to A minus B. So subtraction will be you have to subtract B from A. Okay, but if this condition is not true, if this condition is not true,
Not
what you have
true.
to do now after this? Okay, so that is the option of here else here. If this condition is not true, then you have to execute that C is equal to B minus A. Okay,
Okay.
in the same way, let us suppose I am passing from you. Okay, and uh, if you want to call me, okay, you will call by my by name that hey Aman. Okay, if my name is Aman, I will stop. Okay, otherwise I will move on. Okay, in the
Yes.
same way, if A is greater than B, then subtraction will be A minus B. Okay, otherwise if this condition is not true, then what you have to do that is B minus A.
Okay.
Okay, so here you can see out the output. If I'm saying that 50, then 60. Okay, the output will be again positive 10 because this condition is not true. This portion will be executed. C is equal to B minus A.
Okay.
Okay,
It's same
you
as
can
C. We used to
yes,
write program like this only, right?
yes, this one.
Yeah.
You can also print out a message that hey A is greater than
Yes. Okay.
A is greater than. At this you can also print out the message that hey print just for your understanding. Okay, that B is greater than.
N- right now, whatever you are typing is not visible. Um, First number, second number, sum. Okay.
Okay, I hope you got
If
the point now.
if you attach print one line.
Hmm. This is for my better. This is for my understanding. Okay. If
Okay.
my A is greater than, then this message will be there. Okay. If B is greater than, then this message will be there.
Okay.
Okay. So here you can see out A
Before
is my
operation,
50.
we have to use print.
It's depend upon you. It's depend upon you that what is your
Okay.
requirement.
Okay.
Okay. This I am just printing the message just for my understanding.
Okay.
Okay. So if A is greater than, so it will print that hey, A is greater than. Okay, if B is greater than, that is it is saying that B is greater than. Just for the better understanding, just for the understand the concept only, nothing else. If you didn't write this print, it will be executed, no issue. But for your understanding, you have to print out the value.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So here, if again I am executing this one. Okay, if I'm saying that hey, first number is 25, second number is 15. So here you can see out that it is printing me A is greater, so that I got the concept that this block is performing fine.
Okay.
Okay, this performing is fine. So here you can see out this is how your output is there. A is greater one, and subtraction between B minus A, or sorry, A minus B